Welcome guys, today slightly different video. This is a Chad Valley bubble blower. It's my daughter's and it's not working. It's supposed to turn on, off, nothing's happening. You change the battery, and see what happens. Okay, we've got Duracell Pro Cell in there. Actually, let's measure the batteries. 1.54, that's good. 1.54, that battery is good. Something's not right. I'm not very good with electronics. I'm not sure how complex the electronics are in this. I'm going to try and go in there and open it up. See what's inside. Actually, before I do that, this is sticking, should be moving. I'm not sure if I broke it. Just by doing that. Let's open these up. Okay, that one's still stuck in there. Okay, that one's still stuck. There you go. Okay, not very complex. For me it is. I haven't done teardowns like this before. Let's take this off. If I mess it up, I could always just re-watch this video and put it back together, hopefully. That's that. It should just pop out. Pops out. Pops out. And you got the LED there. Okay, let's put some batteries in there. See if it actually reads the voltage, or if it even turns without the fan. Nothing's turning. So there to there. Let's get this up here. Actually, let's remove this. That way we have a bit more space to check this. Positive, negative. Then we get this in view. Not sure if you can see it. There is a stand. Getting voltage between the two, 1.538. Do we get a voltage between that and that? If I press this. Okay, so negative voltage there. Voltage there. That's LED, so I'm not too worried about that. So the switch soldered. We get rubbish here. Hang on, maybe we just fixed it just by. Okay. So if I touch these two together, it works. LED comes on and the thing rotates. So what could be the cause? So them two, the switch. I believe the switch is faulty. I don't know how to fix the switch. I'll open it up if I can. If I can't, I don't know how to open these up. Okay. More than likely I'll break it. That's the switch. I really don't know what to look for. I know it works, apart from the switch. Some stuff fell out, spring fell out. Okay, so this little thing here, let me see if you can see that. When pressed down, should make contact, but for some reason it didn't. So let's try this again. Okay. I'm wondering if it's, you see the pins? That one and that one need to make contact. I think I broke something else. It's very loose. So those. So what I'm going to do is set it up so that it works, and if you want it to stop, take the battery out. So best way to do that, I guess, you disconnect these two wires. Don't have a soldering kit. Just take these wires off. Okay. And if I connect this, that turns the LED on, and this I am assuming turns that on. Okay, so just chop this off. There you go. And I have that LED on. butchered my kid's toy. This is the fourth one of these. They seem to always break down within a year. What's wrong here? That should have started working. Maybe it's this way and this way. No. This way and this way works. So maybe I cut too much here. There you go. So your 3 wires, you join them up. Now we're just going to take the battery off. Battery off. So I joined these wires together. And I'm just going to use some electrical tape to connect it up. Some electrical tape, tape it together. Hopefully that works. Let's see. There you go, it does work. Okay, so now the hard part for me is to putting it back together. I have no idea how to put it back together. So this goes there. So I'm trying to put it back together if I remember where things went. Okay, so this goes here. Actually, it might be better if I do it this way. Connect it up. And there's 2 screws that go there. Okay. I believe it's these 2. No, it's these 2. It's these 2. Not too tight, plastic's very brittle, just going to break through. It's been sitting out in the elements for a whole year. That's that. This should screw onto here. Okay, and this, if I can get it without messing about with the wires, just sits in here. So, okay, problem is, when this goes up top, the wires are going to be exposed. So how do I fix this? I don't, because I can't cut too much of the wires. There is a little fix I can do actually. I don't know if this is going to work. I've got speaker wire here. So if I connect this, this might be able to go around that way. If I just leave it like this. Okay. If that works, that's a matter of getting this closed. Try connecting this. Screwed in. That one, the screw come out. Where's the screw? The bottom two of the screws come out. This in. This in. Let's see if it works. Nice. So there you go. We'll put some bubble mixture in there. Got this small bottle of bubble mixture. Just pour it in. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Put the whole thing in. And pour water in. We've got bubbles.